Let me begin with Vistoso Education. What we do is we help our students, our prospective students, to achieve their career aspirations. Talking about Vistoso Education, we are a leading provider of quality education and training. And how do we do that? Through our strategic relationship with various universities all over the world, okay, giving uh, masters, PhDs, degree programs, as well as awarding bodies giving certificates, advanced certificates, diploma, advanced diploma, and those institutions who offer programs leading to masters or certificate programs. Now, Vistoso Education is headquartered in India. We have got regional offices in Malaysia, Bangladesh, and India, in different parts of India. Our vision, we want to provide students with the best study options available within the parameters set by themselves or their parents, okay, so that whatever their goals are in terms of education, okay, we try and help them achieve through professional, academic, and career counseling. Our mission, how do we realize our vision? That's by providing customized study route to students that ensure their career goal, okay. Now constantly we are constantly thriving to build a strong relationship with partner universities. So what we want is we want to provide the best, doesn't matter wherever they are. We will be striving constantly to get those universities onto your doorsteps. Now at the same time we will be doing that, we want to do justification to our universities, so whatever their values are, we will be upholding those values as well as their goals. That means we are truly professional. Let's look at our services portfolio. What are our services? We are into, obviously the bigger chunk is student recruitment, and we do lots and lots of activities to do that. We also do transnational education, whereby we bring quality education from UK, from US, from Australia, from Malaysia, from Ireland to you. So you will see Vistoso education centers or colleges or partner centers in your country, whereby you can do your first year or second year and then move on to universities all over the world, for your third year or final year, like that. We also provide immersion training, whereby, just to give you an example, if you want to do language training, the best way is you go and land into UK, whereby everybody surrounding you talks in that language. So we give you that experience. Or you want to do a great training program in, say, hospital, in a research facility, we take you. Or suppose you want to do a program in Malaysia, we bring you here, we give you that experience. And so that there is no difference, there is nothing called imagination. You will be experiencing that, you will be feeling that. So those kind of programs we do. So just to reiterate, we do student recruitment, which is study abroad programs, as well as online program, which is flexible distance learning education programs. We have got partnerships all over the world. We work with more than 150 plus universities worldwide, okay. Immersion training programs, whether it is language, whether it is medicine, that is something which we do. Transnational education, whereby, as I said, we have got partners all over the world whom through which we bring their education, quality education to you. Currently, we have with our registered office in Chennai. We operate in Malaysia, Bangladesh, as well as through our regional offices covering the Southeast Asia as well as South Asia region. And the university partners are from UK, Ireland, Malaysia, US, Europe, and Australia. So just to talk a bit more about student recruitment, we believe in student counseling. We are professionals, and what we do is we start with student profile. Okay, most of our inquiries, I mean, some of you have approached us by telling, I want to do MBBS, I want to do nursing, or I want to do biotechnology. But then we look at, what your profile matches, what is that which will help you to achieve your career goal. Okay, what is that which will interest you? We look at all those things, we do the complete analysis, and then we understand you better. Then we look at the career. We say that you as a person may be a misfit in certain careers but a great fit in certain careers, and we do that. And then we look at the course selection, which course will help you to achieve that career. That's how we do. Then once the course is identified, we will start looking at who all are offering, which university is offering that particular course. Say identify 3 universities or 5 universities, then we select the best based on your parameters. It can be financial parameters, it can be academic parameters, it can be other which are, like for instance, some people, students will say my friend is studying there or my cousin is there, I want to go there. Even that is a parameter, and which we listen to. Okay, once we identified, once we zeroed in on the university, maybe we select 1 or 2 or 3 universities and we put application. We help students to fill all the applications and we apply there. Once that is done, we get the offer letter, we try for some financial aid or scholarships based on your performance or other criteria. Once that is done, we always suggest who are the best people in terms, if required, for any visa assistance, or we tell them this is how it has to be done. We help them to do all the necessary documentation, but then we won't apply, that's not something which we do, but then we do all the other part. And once that is done, we do the pre-departure briefs. Then we always organize meet and greet. We make sure wherever you are going, anywhere in the world, to any university, there will be people who will be there to take care of you, so you won't feel like you are just from home to another home. That's how we handle the student recruitment part. Moving on, what we do is our relationship with student, it does not end with this meet and greet. It always starts, and always it starts all over again. So how do we do that? Whether you are in a university or always studying in a university, doesn't matter. We are always in touch. We do visit universities, or our people, our staff visit universities. We meet you there, or as well as now during the season where online has become the de facto meeting platform, we do a lot of seminars and other online activities whereby you can be in touch with us. So one of that, what we do is we organize seminars to all our candidates, along with their parents, to clarify queries related to university life, how universities are, what is that you expect, where to go, who all are there. So even before you join, we get people, eminent people working in the university, to come over and then talk to you. So any of your queries, what, where, who, all those things, we give you an opportunity to ask those queries.